Hello everyone, and welcome back to NutriVibe. Did you know that high blood pressure is often called the silent killer because it usually has no symptoms? The good news is that healthy eating and lifestyle changes can help lower your blood pressure naturally. What is high blood pressure? Blood pressure is the force of blood pushing against your artery walls. When it stays too high for a long time, it increases the risk of heart disease, stroke, kidney disease, and other serious health problems. Fast foods. Here are 6 foods that support healthy blood pressure. Number 1. Leafy greens, rich in potassium, which helps balance sodium levels. Number 2. Bananas, a great source of potassium that supports heart health. Number 3. Berries, packed with antioxidants that may help improve blood vessel function. Number 4. Salmon, contains omega-3 fats that support a healthy heart. Number 5. Oats, high in fiber, which may help improve heart health. Number 6. Unsalted nuts, provide healthy fats and minerals that support healthy blood pressure. For the best results, reduce salt intake. Exercise regularly. Maintain a healthy weight. Drink enough water. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Get enough sleep. Healthy habits every day can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who cares about their heart health. Note, this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical advice. If you have high blood pressure, follow your healthcare provider's recommendations.